ABC 36 News at Noon is brought to you by Trackside Restaurant and Bourbon Bar.
Hey friends, welcome back to High Noon. It's that time of year again for our Viewers' Choice Awards, where you can go to our website at WTVQ.com and vote for your favorite business or places that you think are the best in Kentucky.
And one of those businesses that has made it to the final voting round is Peterson Law Office. And joining us today is Justin Peterson. Thank you so much for being here, Justin.
Thank you all for having me.
And congrats for being in the running.
Yeah, good for you.
Looking forward to it. We're excited. And
doesn't matter what we
hope we
say.
win.
It's the viewers.
Yeah, I know.
They're the ones picking.
And that's who calls us.
That's right.
If they need our assistance.
So curious, right off the bat, there's a lot of choices out there, obviously. What separates your firm from the rest?
That's a great question. I would say the way we handle our clients and then the results. So client service and results, and those two things actually go together. And what I mean by that is when someone comes in and calls us, I answer the phone, I talk to my clients, I discuss their case with them, and I get to know their case personally. And I end up handling the negotiations if it's going to settle, and I try the case. And I think that separates us from other firms that may do this type of work. When we look at results, the reason those two things go together is not all cases are created equal, and knowing our client's case in and out helps us drive fair and equitable results for our clients.
That's speaking to me. We live in Lexington because we want to know our neighbors. We want to know the people we're doing business with, that we're trusting, and it sounds like that's what your bedrock of your firm is.
Exactly, and what I mean by that is if I break my arm in an auto accident, I'm an attorney, I can go in, I can advocate for my clients. It's not going to affect me the same way as someone who may have laborious work, like a secretary or a carpenter, if they break their arm. And so my case should not be valued the same way as someone who breaks their arm in that scenario. And so understanding the details of the case, having a client-centric approach, which is what we do, we believe that provides good service and good results.
Awesome.
And the areas of law that you practice too, let's touch on that a little bit. Personal injury, obviously.
It is, and what personal injury really encapsulates is car accidents, semi-truck accidents, product liability, medical malpractice, and nursing home are probably the 5 big ticket issues that we get a lot of volume of calls about. But it's really any situation where someone has suffered due to the negligence or recklessness or intentional acts of another.
Okay, gotcha.
Right. Best way for people to reach out and start that conversation. I imagine you get a lot of folks who are like, I wasn't even going to call, I didn't know who to call, I thought I'd just let this go, but they need to talk to a pro on this.
They do. 9.9 times out of 10, the first statement out of the folks who call me, their mouth is, I'm not the type of person to file a claim. And I tell people, no one is. No one wakes up and says, I want to be in an auto accident.
Nobody wants to be in this situation.
Nobody does, exactly. So we always just say, Kentucky, call us, Peterson Law Office. You know, you can go to our website at justinpetersonlaw.com or call us at 859-469-6390.
Awesome. Justin, thank you so much for being here today. And good luck in the voting round, too.
I appreciate it. I'll need it.
Good to see you.
Yes.
We're back in just a second. Stick around.